Hi everyone, welcome to English with Altaf. Today we'll learn how ChatGPT can help you speak better English, practice conversations, and become more fluent.
Hello, I'll explain how to take those ChatGPT chats and turn them into real spoken practice with useful tips and examples.
First, let's start with a simple way to talk with ChatGPT. You type a question or start a conversation. For example, "Hi, how was your day?" ChatGPT replies like a friend. You read the reply out loud and respond. This makes your mouth get used to speaking English.
Yes. And while you do that, pay attention to pronunciation. Read ChatGPT's response slowly, then faster. You can even ask it to give you a phrase and repeat it 3 times. This builds muscle memory in your speaking.
You can also ask ChatGPT to role play. Say, "Let's pretend you are a waiter and I am a customer." Then practice ordering food. That way you get confident in common situations.
Another trick is to record yourself. After you get ChatGPT's answer, speak it, record it, and listen. Compare your voice with the natural flow you want. Then ask ChatGPT to correct your sentence or give a simpler version if something felt hard.
If a sentence is too difficult, ask, "Can you make this easier?" Or, "Can you explain this phrase in simple English?" ChatGPT can give definitions, examples, and even synonyms you can practice.
To build fluency, do short daily sessions. 5 minutes talking with ChatGPT, then 5 minutes speaking the same ideas aloud without help. Then come back and ask ChatGPT for feedback. Did I say that clearly? How can I improve?
You can ask for conversation topics. Say, "Give me 3 easy topics to talk about today." ChatGPT might answer, "Family, hobbies, and travel." Then start, "Tell me about your favorite hobby," and keep the dialogue going.
When the conversation is flowing, challenge yourself. Ask ChatGPT to speed up slightly or to use slang or idioms. Then ask it to explain those idioms. That helps you understand natural speech and learn to use it.
If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can type, "Correct my sentence. I go to the market yesterday." ChatGPT will give, "I went to the market yesterday." Then say it out loud. "I went to the market yesterday." Repeat the correction 3 times.
You can also practice asking questions. Say, "Give me 5 questions about travel." ChatGPT will list, "Where did you go last summer? What was the best place you visited?" Then answer them out loud. This trains your thinking in English.
Another idea. Ask ChatGPT to be a conversation partner who only speaks slowly or uses simple words. Then gradually ask for more natural speed or complex words as you improve.
Use shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to ChatGPT's written sentence and speak exactly at the same time, matching rhythm and pace. For example, if ChatGPT writes, "Learning English is fun and useful," you say it along with it, then repeat alone.
If you want to practice pronunciation of specific sounds, ask, "Give me words with the th sound." ChatGPT might give, "Think, this, 3, other." Say each slowly, then in a sentence. I think this is good. Practice those sentences until the sound feels natural.
You can also create mini dialogues with ChatGPT. Ask, Write a short dialogue about buying a bus ticket. Then read both parts out loud, changing your voice slightly for each character. That helps with rhythm, question intonation, and natural back and forth.
When you want to improve vocabulary, ask, "Give me 5 new words about weather with example sentences." Then say each sentence and try to retell it in your own words. ChatGPT can help correct your version.
To sound more native, ask for common small talk phrases. For example, what do people say when they meet at a party? ChatGPT can give, "Hey, how have you been? Long time no see." Practice replies, "I've been good, thanks. You?" And build quick answers.
If you're nervous, you can tell ChatGPT, "I feel shy speaking English. Help me with a warm-up." It can give breathing exercises, easy greetings, or positive phrases like, "You're doing great. Keep going." Speaking positive self-talk out loud builds confidence.
You don't need a teacher every time. ChatGPT is always available. But to get better faster, set a goal. For example, today I will practice a 2-minute conversation about my job. Ask ChatGPT to help start and end that conversation.
Also, review what you said. Ask, "Please summarize what I just wrote in simpler English." Then speak the summary out loud. That helps with both comprehension and speaking clarity.
When you start feeling comfortable, move to speed practice. Ask ChatGPT, "Give me a short story." I will read it quickly and then retell it from memory. This builds automatic thinking in English instead of translating from your native language.
You can also ask for feedback on your ideas, not just grammar. For example, "Is this clear? I want to explain my hobby." ChatGPT might suggest a clearer order or simpler words. Speak the improved version.
If you want to practice expressing opinions, ask, "Give me a question about technology." Then respond, "I think new phones are helpful but sometimes distracting." Ask ChatGPT, "How can I say that in different ways?" Practice those variations.
To keep learning, save a small notebook with new phrases from each session. Then ask ChatGPT to quiz you tomorrow. "Quiz me on the 5 phrases we learned yesterday." Answer out loud and check.
Finally, use ChatGPT to simulate real-life situations before you face them. If you have a meeting, say, "Let's practice a short introduction for my meeting tomorrow." Then rehearse it and ask for polite follow-up questions you can ask.
That's a lot. Now let's quickly review.
We learn to start conversations with ChatGPT, use role play, correct mistakes, practice pronunciation and idioms, do shadowing, build vocabulary, warm up, set goals, get feedback, and simulate real situations.
You also learn to record, repeat, simplify, and make speaking automatic. Keep practicing a little every day.
Thanks for watching English with Altaf. Keep speaking and soon you'll feel more fluent.